Okay guys, so it's the morning. But yeah, so we are gonna go see a waterfall, and I'm very excited. I'm just putting on Summer Fridays. Isn't this sweet? Okay, so I'm gonna put on some sunscreen. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put on my hand and on my face. Where's the stick? Here. Okay, I got the stick. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Wah. 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 Okay, now I'm putting it on. I just have to rub it on. It's very cold. Like, this room is so cold right now. Like, I can't handle myself. Like, it's right now 10. See? 10. Oh, wait. 10. 10. But in Idaho, it's 9:59. Okay, now I'm gonna rub it in. It's so hard to rub in. Okay, I rubbed it in, and it took like 4 minutes. Hello, hello. We're gonna try to attempt to put my hair in a clip. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to do it, and yeah. Okay, it's over in a clip. I don't like it. It's hurting me really bad. So no clip today. Guys, it's curled. That was cringe. Don't mind that. Pushy, pushy, pushy. Okay, now I'm gonna go put on my shoes. Don't mind my crusty toes. But yeah, see you. With hearts.